Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and this is the next video where I'm going to show you drill bits that I'm using, the tutorial with a high quality diamond drill bit, which I'm preparing the nail plate with this one, and how it influences on the quality of nails. You can see, guys, that I have a lot of clients, and when they come back they have practically no liftings, no breakings, and everything within their nails are good. They are always in good conditions and never have liftings. This is because of the preparing the nail plate, removing the pterygia. For removing the pterygia, I'm using long flame or short flame drill bits from Russian manufacturers. You have a chance to order these drill bits from our store shapeofnail.com from Russia or from Ireland. We have 2 warehouses in the world, so you can find the best one you like and the best prices and the best service of shipping, which is more acceptable for you. For example, we have in the warehouse in Ireland high quality diamond drill bits, which the same drill bits I'm using at this moment in this video. So my favorite drill bit for the short nail plate is the diamond flame short drill bit. This is very small, but it's very useful. It's very easy to work even with the short nail plate. I'm in love with this drill bit and I worked with this one more than 10 years. And this is fantastic. You should work with this drill bit with a medium speed of your drill machine and with a forward speed when you work from the left side and with a reverse speed when you work with the right side. And you will see that this amazing drill bit perfectly removes the pterygia. And this is far with the quality from Chinese drill bits, because they were made from cheap materials, steel and pieces of iron. We work with high quality Russian manufactured drill bits from Kazan city, where the specialized on the dental working tools factories which made special drill bits for dental workers all over the world. That's why I'm using exactly these drill bits. So watch this video to the end and you will see more life hacks from me.